Hi everyone. Let's see what is the guidance coming out for us today. Let's check. Comparison, okay. You should not be comparing yourself with anyone in this world because you are a unique individual. I do see a lot of people talking about, that what is their capabilities and how are they not capable of doing things that the rest of the world is doing. Usually this happens when you're too a little too active on social media and you see people doing lot of things. Stop comparing yourself. You are individual who has gone through certain experiences which nobody else has. Okay, so you have to appreciate your own growth and your own capabilities. That is what even universe is saying right now, that you should not compare yourself with anyone. Let's see more. Rebirth, oh my god, this is beautiful. So basically the card of rebirth says that you need to make sure that you are not living a monotonous lifestyle. Okay, and usually this rebirth, according to the spiritual meaning, happens when you're going through a lot of hurdles, lot of struggle. That is when you actually see yourself in the mirror and then you realize what are your capabilities. Okay, so do not hesitate or do not feel bad for yourself. Do not be in a victim mentality that why do you have to go through so much. It is because it's time for you to evolve as a person and have a new rebirth and a personality in your life. That is how people usually grow in life. Okay, so the time right now probably is not good for a lot of people. That is why universe is saying that wait for the right time. You are going to be born as a new person altogether, and trust me, that feeling of having a rebirth in your life makes you feel absolutely content. I have been there and I have done that. That is the reason I'm saying that. Inner voice, listen to yourself. This is not the time that you listen to the people around you. This is not the time that you need to listen to someone else. You need to look within yourself, think about whatever you think is right for yourself and follow that. Because according to the universe right now, the guidance is your inner voice is your best guide. Okay, so do follow whatever you feel as an intuition or whatever your gut says. See, again, the guidance, this guidance that is coming out is from within yourself. It is not going to come from any external factor or any other person. So basically the universe is saying that it's time for you to be born again. That will happen only when you listen to your inner self.